Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me here. So, I just wanted to say, um, I'm going to be starting to do uh, videos on Saturdays and Sundays uh, at probably around this time, 2:40, and it's not really going to be much. It'll be just short ones. Yeah, and let you know that and there'll be only updates about myself and about the channel. Yeah, so peace.